Hi everyone, I'm Nelly Morena and today we will talk about mature skin. First of all, I'm beginning by cleansing the skin with Micell cleansing water. This water hydrates the skin deeply and takes away all the dirt from the pores. The next step is hydrating lip plumper. This is our HyE Rich Lip Conditioner. It's very important for mature skin to smooth the lips. I will hydrate the skin now with Hydrating Primer. The combination of hyaluronic acid and exotic oils are perfect for deeply hydration and a beautiful glowy finish. To refine the pores, I'm applying Poreless Gel in the T-zone. For a more fresh effect on the skin, I'm applying a slightly reddish shade of Longwear foundation. The shade is 1R35. It's a very nice shade to conceal the dark spots. As she has a more violet under eye area, I'm using slightly yellowish concealer. The color is also perfect to highlight the middle of the face. I will set the makeup with Setting Smooth Loose Powder. The powder is based on Japanese rice bran. It has matte finish with polished pores effect. I'm contouring the skin with CP01 Natural Shadow. This is a contour powder. It is a perfect contour shade for lighter skin tones. The Cone Powder Blush has talc-free formulation and it's based on natural ingredients. It doesn't clog the pores and it's looking very soft on skin. I'm using the color Naked. For the brows, I'm using ID Brows in shade Cool Taupe. This formulation is very nice to have more volumizing eyebrows and not too heavy. To prime the eyelids, I'm using our Keep On Primer. This formulation is good for the eyelids and also for the lips. As my model has very beautiful blue eyes, I choose to work with more gray shades from Nude Glam palette. I'm beginning by the lightest shade and then I'm going more into top tone. In the middle of the eyelids, I'm applying the highlight Naked Doll. As my model has slightly hooded eyes, I'm applying eyeliner in shade Black Panther and I'm blending it. For more fresh effect on eyes, I'm applying in the crease the tone Coral Rose. I'm mixing concealer with hydrating primer. In that way, I'm creating a very hydrating highlighter that I'm applying under the eyes to correct the droopy eyelids and to highlight the under eye area. I'm applying mascara and then I'm creating on lower eyelid with the shade Taupe a very soft shadow. For more lifting effect on eyes, I'm adding some false lashes in outer corner. To smooth the lip wrinkles and to fill in the pores, I'm using Pro HD powder. This amazing powder acts like a smoother and filler on skin. I'm contouring the lips with a lip liner and then I'm applying the shade LL11 Morena. This color is absolutely my favorite shade for brides, for beauty and also for mature skin. My makeup is ready and now you can see the before and the after. I hope you had fun today and enjoyed the video. Sending you much love. Bye bye guys.